Cheers.
Yeah, cheers. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have Bhushan with us, Bhushan Gaikwad. Um, okay, by the way, I realized that I never say like who am I. I just I just start like welcome back to the channel. Today we have him. So yeah, welcome back to the channel. I am Punyabal Shah, your host. Let me try to repeat it every time I do streams in the future. Okay, so yeah, we have Bhushan Gaikwad, and maybe you guys know him, but I will still ask him to introduce himself.
Okay. Hey guys, I am Bhushan Gaikwad. I am senior software engineer at Treble. Yeah.
So what we're gonna do today? Hmm, So
Hmm.
if you maybe follow me or on YouTube, so you already know that we already done two streams, right? Which we haven't done much, but I think we have solved a lot of problems with the code already, right? And we're gonna most probably do some actual work today, right? So yeah, today we're gonna migrate Pinkary to Laravel Cloud from Forge, and we are having a two problems. But if we see a major problem, then it is actually Laravel Cloud's what we can say is behavior, right? So basically, what it does is every deployment it spins the new server, right? And still we don't have a kind of volume things, right? So in a Docker you map the volumes, right? And we don't have such a things in a cloud yet, so we cannot use. The files will not gonna stay when you deploy second time or maybe uh, after your first deploy or second deploy, right? So the thing is, if you have SQLite database, it will be wiped after your next deployment, and your photos will gone as well, right? So the challenge is we need to firstly migrate our code to make it compatible with the S3 bucket compatible storage, and we need to also make our code to work with the MySQL, right? Because we already know that SQLite is not that much strict, right? So it will allow your string to store into the integer column, right? Kind of unstrict it is, and in MySQL it's a different, right? And one major problem I faced is with the so what we do is in a test we match the columns, right? What this attribute should be should have okay, sorry. Yeah, model should have such attributes, right? And it was in a sequence, right? And the problem is if you use after in the SQLite, it will not gonna respect it, right? Right? And in MySQL, it will gonna respect it. So those tests will gonna fail, right? So yeah, so I'm confident enough that our 99% of the code is ready to go, right? And we need to work on the remaining code, right? So let's start with maybe what do you call?
Let's start with the migration.
Yeah. So I think I have done. So I think I should share the screen first, right?
Yeah.
Then, yeah.
Without that,
So
it's all just talking.
yeah. So I will try to share my entire screen, uh, right? And yeah, system audio will be disabled. I hope it's visible, right?
Yes, yes.
We are not gonna use agent now, but okay. I realized that they added the auto thing. It wasn't there in the previous version, but yeah, I'm not. We are not going to use it. Okay, but I think before that, I don't think the VS Code is still even required to watch yet, because it will come to the picture when I actually want to. Uh, I actually want to change the code, right? And yeah, so we have one WIP PR in the Pinkary, and I would like to zoom it. Oh, zoom it bit, and you can see that it was opened on almost 21 February, right? So it's a,
Mm.
I mean, long, long
Journey.
day. right? Yeah,
Long journey to
yeah,
migrate.
long journey. Mm. Okay, so let's dig into the code, right? Okay, so I don't think, I don't know why it is not a change, right? But yeah. So basically, I guess, yeah, I think why it is here, because what I did is, some problem is there and I want to do it as well. But after some, I mean, we are able to move, do some stuff actually, right? So let me share it bit if, maybe I think I need to scroll it at the end or something like that. Okay, not there. Let's dig into the code. So basically, what happened here is, right. I have added these env variables, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Mm-hmm. So DB connection is the MySQL, right? Because we want to taste it in a MySQL, right?
Yeah.
Previously, it used to be SQLite,
Mm-hmm.
and DB was memory, right? So you can even see the commit at removing SQLite from the project.
Mm-hmm.
Initially, what I done is I actually added a if else, right? So basically, if the connection is SQLite, we will run the previous code, and if it is the MySQL, we will run the new code, right?
Okay.
As Nuno said, like Nuno suggested that we should allow both the drivers, right?
Mm-hmm.
But somehow it it was getting too complicated, right? And of course, then I realized and I like discussed with the Nuno, and he said like, let's nuke the SQLite.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm not quite happy with this configuration right now, but I don't know what we can do to remove it from here, or maybe I don't know what we can do. So what I did is I created the env testing, right?
Mm-hmm.
.env.tasting file, right? And that is what being added to ignore, and that's why this file is look like changed, right? You know what I mean? So basically, I added and removed it, but somehow, okay, that is
Mm-hmm.
not that useful. Again, what I did is,
Mm-hmm.
so we actually had this public everywhere, right? So
Mm-hmm.
like we were passing disk as a public everywhere, right? You know what I mean? And
Yeah.
we need to actually uh, use S3 bucket, right?
Okay.
Actually, I was able to maybe name our S3 bucket as a public, right? Public driver. But somehow I thought like we should also remove this and work with the default drive, right? You know what I mean, driver. So we removed it, right? Public from everywhere. Vikas was with me, and I don't think I will gonna explain this right now because uh, I mean, so what was happening is, to compress the files and all, we actually needed some local disk or something like that, and it was failing in S3, right? So what we have is right now, keep it secret for now. We have Pinkary.cloud, where
We are
I'm just
live.
kidding. Don't worry. I'm just kidding.
Okay.
Yeah. So basically, this is like the deployed version of the cloud, right? And we was not able to upload the things, right? Because compressing files was also taking a part, you know,
Mm-hmm.
and that's why we needed to change tweak some code in a image compression, right? And we used imagic at place of GD
Mm-hmm.
directly, right? Because we are already using imagic, we haven't added extra dependency. Imagic was already being used at other places, right? So we have just replaced at one place where it was using GD, right?
Mm-hmm.
And there is some upload file, some changes you can see.
How we fixed it this issue to upload the files? Like, aren't we now
Mhm.
resizing it locally? Like, how we do that?
So we are actually, so basically what happens is, I
Mm-hmm.
think the problem with GD was something. It was
Mm-hmm.
storing at somewhere, and maybe we are not we wasn't able to get it or something like that was there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, maybe we also made it work with the GD, but what uh, okay, yeah, now I remember. So what actually was happening is to remove things like uh, the metadata, right? So strip true is basically removes the metadata, right? So we were actually removing the metadata at upload file, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we were not doing it at here, right? So to just do that, I guess we replaced GD from to
Imaging.
imagic. I guess so, yeah. And after that, I guess this save was not working, so we done some stuff. But I think if you guys are interested, like how we solved this GD thing, we have like the second stream of. So I have created a playlist called Pinkary Migration on my YouTube, and we have three videos. Third is this one, so you can watch the second video, and there is a whole process. We actually migrated from S3 bucket to we migrated our code to S3 bucket, right from the local. Yeah, but whatever I will remember, I will tell you in while the reviewing the code, right? So here we actually used a upload file directly, other I mean at place of
Instead of
getting
getting
the
path.
path and fetching the file, resizing it and all, right? We have just done it directly with this, right? There is a lot of thing basically, and the problem was with it is like, so let me tell you, like someone has added the logic to compress the GIF, right?
Mm-hmm.
We have approved it and we have merged it as well, right? Because
Mm-hmm.
it was simple enough, right? So, but after I mean the few days I was testing locally, and I realized that if I upload 6 MB GIF, right, and
Mm-hmm.
so what it does, it compresses the GIF to 35 MB, right?
Okay.
Or maybe 70 MB, right? So it was
Mm-hmm.
actually increasing the storage, right? So while changing it, I mean while doing this, what we did is, if it is GIF, just to don't do anything, just store it. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So at least it does not increase the
Size.
size, right?
Okay.
And okay, and we concluded that if you want to compress the GIF, the only solution is to convert it into the video, right, and compress it, right? Because there is a
Video.
note, yeah. So firstly, convert GIF into the video,
Mm-hmm.
then compress it, and compressing video is not that hard,
Mm-hmm.
because in a, GIF you need to extract all the frames. Okay, we have one comment. Okay, hi PS, you have built admin dashboard to manage Pinkary project. Yeah, so of course we have admin, and it's in a, what to call it, filament, right? So yeah, we have just two things to manage: users and the posts, nothing else. Because, and we also make it too private, right? So we don't see much things on a management as well, right? We only see which is required to watch, right? And only option we have is to delete the uh, I mean user or the what we can call it, the post, if it is not matching the I mean he is not good, right? He is doing bad things, so we'll just gonna remove it. Yeah, that's only, right? And we have a bit small dashboard, but yeah.
Mm. What was the reason you made it public, the disk, the
Sorry,
first file? The first file
this one.
you, huh? So this stuff, right? Image disk and all. You change it to
Mhm.
instead of public, you made it to null, right?
Oh yeah, so it is like it should get a default drive, I mean.
Hmm.
So it is
This
like at place of passing what we call it, explicitly, right?
explicitly. Explicitly.
Yeah, yeah, explicitly. So
Okay.
we are passing null, so it just take from the environment instead of taking
Environment.
it
Okay.
because this is not good practice at all, right? But we followed it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
um, so basically, yeah, that is the thing, right? And it is just like, and yeah, I made it public because I wanted to access it into the test, right?
Hmm.
And main thing is, uh, I mean, default driver shouldn't be S3 then. Hmm.
Hmm.
So Sagar is saying that the default drive shouldn't be S3 then. So it see, if you are testing locally, you are not going to use S3, right? You are not passing S3 as I mean in a default, right? If you pass S3 in a default, you must have a disk called S3, right? Or you need to change things manually to call your public drive as S3 or something like that. So why should we do that? I mean, let env handles it, right?
Hmm.
Okay, this is good. I don't think we should spend much time on this. Uh, but yeah, it is something similar to see. This is also something we actually done on a stream, going
Hmm.
to some code and understand like what is happening, and we actually I mean, didn't know like you can do something like this, and we just explored in a on a stream and did it. So
Hmm.
basically, you can encode by extension something like this, and it's good basically. So if it is PNG, it will do PNG, or if it is JPG, kind of.
Hmm.
Hmm. And this
80%
is
reduction.
also what is, yeah, 80% quality.
Hmm.
Yeah, so reduction actually. So it is like 20% quality will be only uploaded, right?
Oh, only 20% will be uploaded.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that is how. Oh, okay. If I remember, let's see it what it is,
Okay.
because I'm not actually expert at it.
Okay.
So what is the file number? 438. Oh. So let's see what it is. Mm, encode the image into the format represented by the given extension. If no extension is given, I think opening it here will be good. I don't know. Options. Where we have passed it. Okay, on options, right? So we need to check like what kind of options it has.
Hmm.
Hmm. Okay. I think quality. Encoding quality from 0 to 100 by default 75. So why did
75.
we have did this? Okay.
Okay,
Still,
so it will
I think
it will store
yeah,
80%. So 20%
yeah.
will be okay.
Okay, so it will actually decrease, but it will try to keep 80% of the quality, I guess. I
Hmm.
think so. Hmm. Okay, now I understood. Now I understood why we actually used this, right? So
Hmm.
basically, the resizer have the options like this, right? Sorry, yeah. So resizer has the options like to PNG, right? To
Hmm.
JPG, to WebP, and I think we wanted to uh, what to call it. I mean, keep the extension what is provided by the user, right? So we find
Original.
it that this one.
Hmm.
Hmm. So that's why it is something like that. But I think I don't know. We user. I mean, everyone says like WebP is the fastest and optimized one, but I don't know.
Hmm.
Okay, but it's a kind of future thing. Right now, we need to keep it what was in the past, right? So it should work
Hmm.
exactly what it was. It should be working previously. Uh, uh, um, Other than it is the improvement or something like that, or it is much needed, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so that was the thing, and yeah, here we also have created the resizer instead of using creating at multiple places. That is the thing. Okay, the main thing is this now. Okay, the problem was with the SQLite is we was able to do some stuff uh, uh, like this, right? And
Raw
like
query.
this as well, right?
Mm.
But somehow in a uh, MySQL, it was not able to find some something like this when do order by descending. I think that was kind of problem with the MySQL, right? At that moment when I was actually migrating to the MySQL, right? So I had to actually use join sub instead of uh, mm, where it is, yeah. Instead of just directly calculating and uh, doing a group by, right? So I think somewhere group by was the problem somewhere, right?
What you can do is you can just
Mm-hmm.
in the select you can just use this DB raw and store
Yeah,
it as a rename it
you
as a
know,
some other, then use that order by
yeah.
descending.
I actually
column.
I have done it, but if
Mm,
we do that, right, we need to group by it as well, right?
mm,
You know what I mean. And if we
mm.
do group by, it will not gonna give unique rows.
No, we don't need to
Uh,
group, right?
we are actually doing group by to use a max, right? To do a max, you need to do group by.
Mm,
And if you do group by with having a few more columns, right? You know what I mean.
mm.
So it was actually giving not, it was not passing the test. Uh, Firstly, what I am saying. And if you want to do it, let's just revert the code and try if you want.
It's already 20 minutes. We can start migrating, I think so.
Yeah.
The
So
test
even
cases are
see,
already passing.
yeah, the test
Mm.
cases are passing, right? So
So it's all
what we can do is, yeah, what we can do is after migration we can actually tweak the queries, right?
the
You know,
queries. Yeah,
yeah,
that would be nice. Yes,
yeah. So
that
that's
would be
why
nice.
once it started working, I just stopped looking at it again. Uh,
After that, we can
yeah,
even raise multiple PRs to improve the stuff later.
yeah, of course. But the first problem is to move it to uh, cloud. you know,
Cloud. Yeah.
yeah, and this is the same thing, right? This is also the same
Mm.
thing. I don't think we should spend much time in this, but where
Okay.
yeah, this is one actually a problem. I will share it after seeing the migrations, right? Okay, so
Okay.
we need to add this, right? This is the simple
Mm.
thing,
Mm.
and I will also explain this. So I
Mm.
have used I mean S3 bucket in my previous projects where I was using Livewire, right?
Mm.
And if you know live, if you are using Livewire, or if you know, so if you want to upload, let's say multiple files, yeah, you know what I mean.
Mm.
Uh, so it will not work with the SD driver, in a Livewire. You cannot upload multiple.
Okay.
Oh, those were bigger files, maybe that's why. So
Mm.
let's upload two files. So right now it is
Mm.
uploading the two files,
Mm.
right? It has uploaded. But if you are using, uh, uh, where we was, yeah, here. So if you are, let me close it, yeah. So if you are using null here, so it will use S3, right, as a
Mm.
default drive. So S3 currently Livewire does not support multiple file upload with the S3 bucket, right? So that's why we had to make it local. So what it will do, it will just upload it in a local drive where
Mm.
the volume
Files
is
will get.
there, yeah. And I don't think it will be much I mean make much problem when we actually redeploy it, right? You know what I mean.
But anyways, you guys were using local disk, so it was not a problem at that time. But now it will be because we will be moving to
Yeah, yeah, of
Laravel Cloud.
course. Yeah,
Okay.
so I think we will find a solution later maybe, but
Later, yeah.
right now I know this solution only, right, to make it work.
Okay.
Okay, so this is right. In
Mm.
SQLite I was able to do this, right? Hey Vikas, so here is the guy, right, who have
Mm.
helped me in the two streams, right? And if you
He
want to
was gone.
ask him like why we did anything, maybe he will not be able to answer quickly, but he can see, look at it and answer it later, whatever we
Mm.
done with the imagic, right? Because he was
Mm.
there and
Ah.
he has only suggested things, right, at that moment. Okay, so we were in the migration, right? I was able to do this, right, with the SQLite, but somehow I was not able to do uh, this one, sorry. Yeah, with the uh, SQL, MySQL. So we got with the, I mean, old way, right?
Old
This was
way.
the way,
Okay.
right? Yeah.
Mm.
So this is also we can tweak after. I mean, you know what I mean.
Mm.
Hmm.
Migration.
Yeah. So somehow the dropping things stopped working, right? Because SQLite is not strict, so it was allowing dropping things even there is a foreign key stuff, right? You know.
Okay. Mm. Mm.
So here we had to drop the foreign key first, then we was dropping the questions table, right?
Mm.
And one more thing that we actually dropping the foreign key, so we needed to add it back, right? You know.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, okay, this is the main problem, and I don't know if it is fixed yet, but this is the I mean point of the discussion, right?
Mm.
And maybe we can discuss it later, but I think we should remember this. This is the major thing I also
Yes.
want to solve, and
Mm.
I'm scared a bit of it because it may slow down the existing uh, searching in hashtags, right?
Okay.
You know, I will explain it, but I think yeah, and I want to fix this. I think so
Mm.
because the problem is uh, what I can say. Uh, so
What?
two things we can do is I think it I have created this because we was actually supporting both or maybe something like that. So what I want to do is now I think we can do just UID directly to the actual migrations instead of creating new migration, right? Because I
Mm.
told you, right, the SQLite allows your bigger strings or something like that to storing into the integer, right? You know,
Mm.
and that's why we needed to drop this and need to create the UID foreign keys again, right?
Okay.
And this will be actually already ran into the uh, cloud before we actually do the migration, right? You know,
Mm. Mm-hmm.
so this is what it is, right?
The table structure will be
uh,
there, so already. Mm.
yeah, the table structure will be there,
Mm.
and this is something. Okay, I think so. Again, right? So what is happening is poll column is not there at all, right? You know what I mean.
Okay.
And SQLite was allowing, right?
Okay.
And after that, like we added the answer updated ad, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I mean, such a big bugs are actually reviewed and pushed as well by. I was also there, you know, but yeah. Okay, we need to remove. And I think some JS changes is also there. And other things are, if you see correctly into the test, we have just changed this public thing, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
You know, and
So
one
only
I think,
drivers.
yeah, only driver. And
Mm.
somewhere we needed to add the travel because SQLite is slow and MySQL is fast, right?
Mm.
So it was like there is a microsecond difference between the uh, two records, right? So I
Mm.
had to add the travel. You know
Travel.
what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. So same public thing. One thing is there which was actually I don't like it. I will change it later, but I don't know. Yeah, I'm also not. I mean, happy with this yet, but it is working, and what it is asset equals, right? And somehow in MySQL order is not same, you know.
Mm.
But that doesn't matter actually. That's why we haven't. I mean, the order is doesn't matter because we are in actual thing we are actually making is random at the end, right?
Mm.
So the order is doesn't matter right now. So I have just did not to contain and contain right now, right?
Mm. Okay. So you're just matching keys. That's it.
Yeah, matching case, right?
Okay.
But yeah, we need to be on it later that why it is like the sequence is not good, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
Because yeah, and in this same the link shape was uh, so why I did this, right? I could change gradient first and link shape later, right? But in a starting, we was planning to support both the driver SQLite and you know and that is actually maybe the reason of doing this as well, I don't know. So I mean, we was actually trying to support both the version, right? So in SQLite, it was the thing like this, and in a MySQL, gradient was first and link shape was second.
So order was again messed up.
Yeah, so order was again the problem, and we did a storage fake right here.
Mm.
Uh, Maybe we removed it from everywhere and just did it before each. And maybe
Before
this
each.
can be done at other tests as well. I don't know. I haven't
Yeah.
like checked much. And see, this is the still public thing, right?
Mm.
Same, same, same. Okay. Hmm. So this is what we have done. We removed the imagic, right, for the
Mm.
GIF. I mean, we are not optimizing the GIF. So what I did is we just added due test, right? What is that is does it? Oh my gosh! But we need to do, right. We need to follow the consistency everywhere. It will be taste, right? So taste, uh, it skips the optimization for GIF, right? So it is the
Mm.
new test. Functionality is new as well. So
Yeah.
yeah, that was the change. And yeah, here we have travel.
Okay.
Here we also have travel. So basically, it was creating five counts, but we just created with the travel, right?
Mm.
Yeah, that is what it is, right? So we was doing reverse and all, but now we have three questions. Okay, so this is funny actually. So I was telling you that in this after does not work, right?
Mm.
In
Mm.
SQLite, right? So
In
sequence
SQL.
was this, yeah, sequence was
Mm.
this in SQLite, right? But
Mm.
in the MySQL, sequence was exactly what it was in to the migration, right? After or
Mm.
something like that. So
Ah.
what I had to do is I need to do contains, and to be careful that there is no extra column, so I did to count five, right? So it's
Right.
like, yeah, it's doing exactly same thing,
Same
but
thing.
in a different way. And
Different way. Yes.
why I did this, because we was planning to support two drivers, right?
Mm.
So after that, we anyone is watching and they want to do, they can just do PR to put exact what do you call it, the sequence, and remove to have count or something like that, right? It's a
Mm-hmm.
opportunity to I mean contribute to open source. Yeah. So same thing is here, and now public, 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 right? So I think you
Mm.
understand, like we haven't changed taste bus, and taste are all
That.
passing, right? With
Yeah.
and yeah.
Not so
So
much is
let
changed. Just small stuff. Okay.
okay, yeah. So what I actually opening is Pinkary taste, right? So we can see the locally things is working, right?
You can even that remove that console log and push it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I actually wanted to remove the console log. Uh, Console dot log. I hope it is here. Yeah,
It's
here it was.
image upload. Hmm.
Others are from somewhere else, so we just can
Ah,
ignore it.
that is fine. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm not going to commit it. All right. I mean,
Hmm.
sorry, not going to push it. I will just commit it. Not gonna push it, because I will. If I will push it, it will gonna just deploy it. Right. You know what I
Oh,
mean?
okay.
Yeah. So I think right now. Okay. Wait a moment. Uh, I actually need to open the ENV somehow, because what I remember is,
Hmm.
okay, I think we don't have anything right now in a ENV. I should hide it. So let me just display it, because
Hmm.
I don't think there is anything I should hide, right? So basically, right now it is using SQLite, right? And we are
Hmm.
not here to taste it in SQLite. Okay,
Hmm.
okay. And if I reload this, things will gonna change, I guess. Yeah.
You.
First thing is missing attribute exception.
Hmm.
Okay.
Poll expected.
I yeah. There is a simple solution to it. Is migrate. You know,
Hmm.
I opened it 3 months after 3 months, right? You know. Okay.
Hmm.
So you cannot see my image somehow. Hmm. Okay, because we actually tested it on the S3. Maybe, yeah.
Hmm.
That's why. So yeah, now I will just drag and drop env outside of my terminal, the VS Code, and I will check if okay, it's not the S3, so it's a local, right? Hmm. That's why. Hmm. Okay, so from where we should start? Okay. I remember we were using one package. Okay, you were talking about the DB engine, you know,
Hmm.
not DB engine. The what you were saying, Table Plus.
Yes. Hmm.
Yeah. So we have Table Plus, right? And you can see this, right? We have Pinkary temp and somehow already created here, right? And it's actually
Hmm.
SQLite connected with the SQLite.
Hmm. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We can dump that and ex-
Yeah.
just export
So
import.
basically, yeah, and people who is watching, it's my local database. Don't worry about.
Hmm.
Uh, yeah.
Hmm.
So we have almost okay. We only have 300 users. Mm-hmm.
No, no, 4,000,
Oh,
4,500.
okay.
Hmm.
Where you are seeing?
It
Where you
is
are seeing
limiting
this?
query. At the bottom, you will
Oh,
see.
here it is. Yeah, yeah, here it is. Yeah, yeah. So we have almost 5,000 users. Sorry, 4,500 users. And let's check the post. How much post we have, and where actually those are. Okay,
Where is?
okay. No, I haven't. Sorry, I apologize. I haven't worked with the Pinkary for a long, and I just forgot that post are questions actually.
Oh, okay.
So questions are the post. So
Question.
let me tell you. Initially, Pinkary was not about post. It was about asking question to each other, right? So so there is not a thing like posting in a public, right?
Hmm.
Let me try to log in if I am able to do that. And password will be whatever.
Password
It's
and
my local
one.
password. No, no, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so this thing wasn't exist in a starting. So what you can do is actually uh whoa.
Hmm.
We had our first exception of the day,
Cache
and
member.
for Laravel team, your error page is not working in a white mode, like dark mode,
Hmm.
or it is only me. I don't know, but it is not working. Okay. Oh, hard reload is working.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay, that's fine. So, but why it is? Oh, okay. Uh-huh. This is a new problem actually. So it is actually this problem will be there into the somehow into the
Can you check env which driver you are using for cache?
cache. It will be array, I guess. Most probably or database, I think. Let me check the env.
Array is good
Uh,
for testing.
right, but cache storage database.
Database. Okay.
But yeah, so basically what we have here is somehow
Okay,
failing.
you have. Okay.
Mhm.
No, can we read the exception? What was that?
Yeah. So exception is something related to unserialized, right?
Error at offset zero.
Mm. And it's in a metadata fetch, right? Somehow I understood it is.
What is this?
Mhm.
Offset zero.
So let me tell you what it is actually. Oh, it is the cloud, right? We don't. Uh, okay. So basically, let me just copy our YouTube, right? Link and paste it over here, right?
Hmm.
So what it will do is it will create uh, entry in a cache, you know,
Hmm.
here. So right now it's 26, right? If I reload it, oh, what the heck? Oh, it's SQLite. So this is not a problem. Oh my gosh, yeah. So basically, this is not the database which we are actually right now running, because this is the SQLite and we are running on the MySQL right now, right?
Hmm.
So basically, Nuno has any of the post which link could be deleted or something like that, maybe, or the cache could be something which is not working right now, right? So what I can do is uh, to have fun, because we are in the local,
Hmm.
you know. Okay,
Hmm.
I I hope that's gonna work. If that is not working, that means yeah, this is worked, and somehow maybe this metadata, or yeah, it will be this one only, I guess. Hmm. So somehow this one's metadata was not able to unserialize. Oh, okay. So what is this one? Oh, uh
Okay.
huh.
This website is not responding.
Yeah. So maybe when the metadata was created.
The link is wrong. It's YouTube slash live slash. It's not youtube.com.
Oh yeah. So maybe, so that shouldn't be a problem, right? But this will be question, right? But I don't know if this will be a problem. So somehow the catching stuff was the problem, but we are not. Yeah. So we are not able to actually right now. Oh, okay.
It's worked, right?
Yeah, it working somehow. Hmm. Yeah, interesting.
You said that you were
So,
migrating, like you were using this after a few months, right? So maybe that cache was not there.
oh yeah. So one problem can be there is, I don't know if that is the same thing. So maybe when we actually migrated from the SQLite to MySQL, right? You know
Mhm.
what I mean. At that moment, the data corrupted.
Mhm.
You are muted, or you are saying something.
No, no, I'm not saying something yet.
Okay, 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 okay. Sorry, I was looking at the different window. But
Okay.
yeah. So what I understand is, it could be the problem, and we need to taste it uh, for sure. So basically, what I understand is when we move the data, right?
Mhm.
The uh, cache tables metadata, right, is corrupted somehow, right? It is not serializable or unserialized or serialized. You know what I mean? So
Mhm.
basically, when we migrate the data from the cache table, we need to unserialize and serialize, something like that. You know,
Oh, again.
some I, this is what I'm thinking. I mean,
Okay. But in Laravel Cloud we can use the different cache driver, right? We don't need to use database.
but right now we're gonna use database, right? Because
Why?
we are not. I have asked to know, no, but I mean, right now we are not going to use Redis, at least. Yeah.
It's just a cache, right? It will get filled again.
Yeah, no. Basically, uh, uh, I'm actually not proud of that, but some specific stuff is based on catch right now, and it shouldn't be.
Okay.
Few crucial things are actually on a cache right now. You know,
Okay.
so that's why we cannot maybe run this on a production maybe. Okay, let me just open a terminal, external terminal. Yeah, for Pinkary. Yeah.
But there is
So,
also one thing. All these
mm,
things are objects, right? When we
yeah,
serialize it, the format is same when we do serialize any object.
yeah.
So it should
No,
not.
that was my guess actually. That was my guess. Right.
Oh, okay.
So we need
No,
to
that.
taste it actually.
Okay,
Right.
we
We
can.
need to taste it actually. So where you want to start? I mean, where we should start? I mean, so
First, I
uh,
think let's deploy it and then start migrating the database and then files.
so it's actually deployed, right?
It's already deployed.
Pinkary. Yeah, it's a deployed, right? We was actually seeing this deployed version on the cloud, right?
So I can see there Punnepal Shah, hello Peter.
Yeah,
So
I have
it
done
is
this. Yeah,
connected to which database now?
MySQL, MySQL. Yeah.
Okay. Can we
Hmm.
connect that database, Laravel Cloud database to Table Plus?
Yes, yes.
Ah,
We
okay.
can do that.
Then we can
So
do.
we actually
Okay.
done that.
Okay, we can try import export and see. Last time we had errors, right? So we can see what is going on there. We can try to fix.
Yeah, we actually had error.
Hmm.
Oh my gosh, cloud got hang. Hmm. So maybe because we have uh I don't know, or maybe I need to allow. I think so. Yeah. Okay, that was the thing. So uh, this is the cloud basically. So let me open the questions table. Where it is? Yeah, here it is. And hopefully we will see hello Peter. You know.
Okay.
Yeah. This is also there.
So
Okay.
you can just
Yeah,
migrate
because I
it.
have deleted it. It was market is ignored. Okay, that's fine. What are you saying?
We can just migrate fresh on this
Mm-hmm.
database. So it will not have any
Okay.
record. And then we can
Okay.
try export.
Mm-hmm. We can do that. So let me
Hmm.
just. Okay, I have one work for you, right?
Hmm.
To just make sure that I don't basically run something on a cloud instead of SQLite, or SQLite instead of cloud, right? Because we have two things open already, right?
Huh.
I maybe so I need a second eye somehow, right? What I'm
Okay.
saying.
Yeah, I'm there. Don't.
Hmm. Hmm. But it is like we are humans, right?
Yeah.
So you want me to do migrate phrase there, right?
On the cloud.
Yeah, and because it's a descriptive command, I don't know. See, I will try.
Hmm.
If it is not working, okay, let me just do it like this because there is nothing private right now.
Yeah.
Uh,
Just migrate
Force,
force.
right?
Hmm.
Right. And this may fail
No, it should not.
because, you know, this is
No, it
failed
would.
because this is descriptive command and we have prohibited it, you know.
Just go to settings, environments,
Mm,
change that to
mm.
instead of production, change to something else, env, and then run this, and then again change it to production. App env.
You want to do that, you know.
Hmm?
You want to do that. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, go to env,
Yeah.
that environment section. Just change that
Yes.
instead of production, change it to something else. Run that command and then change back to production.
I have another option as well,
Hmm?
but I don't know if you recommend it. So what I
Hmm.
will do is I will just copy configuration in locally and run migrate phrase locally. You know.
That also works. But
Yeah.
locally, you have multiple connections. I saw in your ENV there
ENV.
was SQLite as well, MySQL as well. I don't know.
Hmm.
I
Nah,
mean,
that will not gonna
might be
hurt.
different. It's empty
Let
data.
me.
We can do anything,
Yeah.
whatever is fast.
Yeah. So let me just try that right
Hmm.
locally. So let me go to the DB credentials, copy the credentials. I'll go to the ENV. I will just paste it below,
Hmm.
right? And okay, so let's come here. PHP artisan, right? Migrate, no, fresh,
Hmm.
and we don't need to even do force.
Works. Okay.
So it is slow, so it's
Yeah, it
connected
is.
to the.
It is.
Mhm. Yeah. So you know what this was? I was used to do with the UTE environment in my previous company. So what I
You.
was doing,
Hmm.
yeah,
Hmm.
UAT. So basically, what I or we can say staging. So what I was doing is I was just doing this, copying the credentials over here,
Mm-hmm.
and just running migrations from the local. I mean, for UAT environment. If I just missed something or something like that, I mean,
Mm.
it's taking huge
Ideally, it
time.
should be part of deployment. So whenever we deploy something to
Yeah. So that
production,
is what I'm. Not, that is what. That is not what I am saying. So
mm.
it is deployed. Migrations are already ran, right? But at
Mm.
that moment, some problems occurred, right?
Mm.
So to
So
quickly
we
hack,
just
this hack.
okay.
Yeah. So because what? See, if you ask your DevOps to deploy it again,
Mm.
you know, sometimes they say like, why? We just deployed a minute ago, right? So yeah, just I was doing this, and let me just remove this from my env, right, to be
Mm.
sure. uh I don't know. Okay, so
Now, if you go to that pinkary.laravel.cloud, it should not show your username or
yeah,
something.
we can do one more thing as well, but yeah,
Hmm.
let's just reload it. It will throw me out.
Hmm.
Yeah,
There is
right,
no
I'm
question.
not logging, right?
Okay.
It's a
Okay.
blank
Nice.
database now,
Okay. Nice.
right? Now this makes sense. And
Hmm.
if I just reload the questions table, it will be empty.
Empty.
And yeah, it
Hmm.
is now.
Hmm.
Now, okay,
Now.
wait, yeah, I remember now. I remember
Hmm.
now.
Hmm.
Hmm. What was the problem? But yeah, still we're gonna do what you are saying,
Hmm.
and we will face the problem together. you
Hmm.
know,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
I remember what was it. I will just quickly say it was something related to inverted commas, right? So just guide me. What should I do now?
Okay. Yeah, you can just export some tables, right, into a file, and then or export as a insert query, and then just paste it there.
There was one more option, Uh,
Right click on table, and then you can just import export. So you need to export truncate. Don't do
there is a
truncate.
copy as a strip, import or export.
Export.
Okay.
Huh.
So what I do?
Export, and then there should
Mm-hmm.
be SQL as well. SQL option.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you can just include table content, include table structure. Table structure we don't need actually because we
Mm-hmm.
already migrated. So you just click on
Mm-hmm.
export.
Mm-hmm.
So it will create a really big insert query, and we can just run that query inside
Okay.
that table. Yeah.
Now it is successful. Open
Yeah.
the container folder, right?
Huh.
Okay.
Just copy that SQL
Wow.
query.
You know,
Hmm.
I told you we have exported it to CSV previously, and it is only exporting one table. We
Yeah.
need to do one
You
by
can
one.
you can just select all as well, but we can try with one first, and we see like
Oh,
what is. You know,
so you could told me to use a database or a table where actually we have some data.
that I don't know in which table we have data.
I mean,
You can.
let's
Okay.
see. But okay, one more thing.
Hmm.
That table will be somewhere using foreign keys.
Hmm.
This that will fail.
Hmm.
Foreign keys will fail if I use it in
References
such a
will
way.
not be there. References will not be there, and you are doing cascading as well.
Hmm.
Okay, let's try. Let's
So
try. Let's try with one
with the
foreign
user,
key. With user is fine. Do we have any foreign key attached to in the users table?
no.
Just go with questions. It's a, a random data, right? So dummy data, so we can try. So it will have maybe user ID column somewhere. So
Oh,
we can just check
wow.
that.
It has only 800 questions.
Hmm.
Export.
Export.
Same thing,
So,
right?
hmm.
And questions table. Yeah, it's done.
Hmm.
So
Nice.
now in a MySQL, click on the question table, click on
Import.
import from SQL dump questions
Hmm.
and
Really big
import
query. Okay.
query.
Now what is the thing? You have an error SQL manually that correspond to MySQL server.
I know
It
we
is
did
okay.
this.
Open that file into VS Code, and then that there is something related to the codes. It's a very common error. That SQL file.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we can replace those.
Single inverted comma to double.
I think we can change that double to single.
Is that the problem?
Give me 1 second. I think we need to use double quotes. Give me 1 second. I'll
I
run some
remember we had to. I told you right before we dump it. It was something related to inverted commas.
inverted comma. Yes, I remember. I remember. Okay. Single works, so you can just change it to single. Yeah.
Final.
Ah,
Okay. So if that
let
works,
let's see.
import from SQL dump
Hmm.
SQL import failed.
What is
So
this?
double works.
Right syntax. No, no. You to use questions. There is already single or double. I see
So
double quotes before the questions.
that is a string. That is
There
that's
is a
hard
tilde
to.
sign. Do you know that there is a tilde sign? You can use that as well.
But there is no double quotes.
Just no, no. Just copy this. Copy this query. Just copy control. No, no. Control C. Just control A. Control C.
Which one?
From
This one.
VS Code.
Okay, from VS Code. Copy
Uh,
this all. Yeah.
Copy this.
Then
Go to table plus. Click OK.
on a table plus,
Uh,
click OK. Yeah.
and there is on the top there is a SQL option that
Yeah.
where we
Yeah. Here it is.
paste it here. Now
Oh yeah.
click on Beautify.
Beautify.
So it will try to
Okay.
refactor.
Now.
Now scroll up, down, see if it is correct. It is formatted correctly, so it should be fine.
Okay.
Let's run it.
Done. I
Huh?
should run it right.
Yeah. Okay. You
Okay.
have
There
an
is a
error
full error now. Same error.
at line 2. Bro, there is
Oh.
questions table.
Uh
Can you
huh.
remove that table, that single quotes from the questions? Insert into what? Why?
Okay. So you want me to remove this?
This one.
Okay.
And even for all the columns.
Are you sure?
Yeah, this is from that column only, that database only, right? So we can.
Right.
Let's remove. Let's
Oh.
try now.
Why it is one? I can do DT, but I cannot remove it.
There is a tilde sign above, below the escape. You can use that for the column or remove it. That is also fine.
Should I run
Now,
it?
yeah, beautify and run. Yeah. What is this? Illegal double value. Okay, so you need to. There is
Uh huh.
8E4. That is very big value.
But
We are
where is
trying to store it into
84?
double. Hmm. We are trying to store that inside this double column. 8E4. Oh, yeah, this is actually, this looks like UUID which got separated. Okay, it should be in single quotes.
Yeah, but how this
This is
happened?
dummy data, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
dummy
I
data.
would have replaced it quick. Okay, go to VS Code. We can replace faster there. This UUID is wrong now. It needs that single quotes.
Yeah,
This
I
is
will
only.
add it.
Hmm. But you're doing it for
Oh,
only one, right? It will be there. It will be
I
there.
think there is one and only problem, I guess. At least. I don't know. But
Okay,
let's
let's try that.
be and run it again. You know? Okay.
Hmm.
Hmm.
It line
What
14310.
is this? Oh, yeah. We actually store code and thing into the database.
One four
Hmm.
three one zero.
So this is oh line
Let's
number 14310. So how to go line number? Let's copy this over here. This is not the thing. Yeah, here it is.
mm,
So how this actually
Huh. You can. It is after null and before null.
I,
There might be multiple. That's what I'm saying, right? We can detect a pattern. The pattern is actually null, comma, and then this wrong thing, and then after that null. So we can detect if it is there. We can just do preg replace fastly and VS Code.
but how this happened in an export, I guess,
In
right?
export it happened. Yeah,
Table plus need to.
you can just file replace, right? Multiple replace. Hmm. Search the pattern, capital null, comma. Arey, this is also okay. Okay.
Oh my gosh. But why even these two things exist? Oh, this data is fogged up, I guess. Because here is the
Is it
date.
okay? Okay, do one thing. It was faster, right? So let's export one more time and check in that file because it might be
Mm-hmm.
when we updated the double quote to single quote, it happened.
No, no, no. Not that time. Maybe when we did beautify.
Okay, let's try it then from the starting.
No, no. Why should we go starting? We can do Control Z.
That works.
There is nothing like that. I mean, bro, there is nothing
Okay.
like that.
Okay. So now directly then we can copy this one, which is correct.
Oh, wait,
And
wait, 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 wait. So
uh,
it is there, but it's not in the inverted comma. You know,
mm,
because it's a double column. That's
mm.
it. SQLite is too bad. This is why. Hmm.
The IDs are same.
Hey, wait, bro. Wait, bro. Wait. I now understood. We don't actually need to beautify.
Mm,
Let's not beautify. Or what I can do is
mm.
I can just do Control A here. I will go here and maybe Shift and Control Shift and backspace, copy paste, and I will go here.
You could have directly pasted everything, right?
No, actually, after that I had to then uh,
Single and all.
uh
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Run. It will still have issue, right? Because that
So whenever we copy paste it here, it just do its job already. I mean,
no, it's not about
it's
copy paste. It's already that file itself has those errors, those issues.
yeah,
So in
but
that
I
file,
mean, okay, so we don't have inverted commas at all, right? Even
exactly.
because it was double column. Yeah.
Let's search for UUID pattern, and if it
Mm-hmm.
is not single quotes, let's add it.
Oh,
In
okay,
VS Code, we can do that.
yeah. So I think I know the regex
Regex,
of UID,
okay.
or we can just I mean,
Google here. We can do
for that
for you.
regex will work for
It will work. Pattern is always same.
for right.
Yeah.
This is
So
not correct one, or what? I don't know. Or maybe user got solution and so this is or this one above one.
above one. Copy that.
Okay,
Go to VS Code.
and
And
I need
click
to do
that.
this right. Yeah, I
Yeah.
think it's working,
Now,
but not here.
uh,
Here, yeah. Oh my gosh, it's a
no,
900.
no. Now we have to unselect, uh, add a boundary where single quote is not there in the regex.
Yeah. So uh
There,
uh
there is a dollar and the ampersand, I think so. So you can just create a regex where the
uh-huh.
single quotes and single quotes are missing. After inside that, we have UUID.
But I mean, we gonna do it for all the SQL files.
We
Do you
can
think that
we
will
can
be
do
a
for
good
one.
idea?
We can do for one, and then when we export, we can export in one file, and then there also we
Oh,
can do.
okay.
Yeah.
So what will be the regex? It will be,
Let me
uh,
search. Regex.
but I think uh, okay, I can
Ask
do one
Claude or
thing. Yeah. So that
something.
is what I
Give
actually doing.
me regex for.
Ask update this regex uh, to find UIDs which are not in single inverted commas.
Oh, you
BSP.
can even ask this file to be updated, right?
That will take a lot of time, and
Oh,
tokens.
hmm. Tokens is fine. Time is precious.
you know.
Okay, let's
Okay.
try.
Yeah, working.
Okay, okay.
68. Now,
Now we can add single quotes and then same uh,
$1, right? Uh,
dollar.
dollar
Yeah.
one. Kind of, but it is not
So,
showing me. So I'm a little bit scared,
yeah,
right?
it's not showing. Huh.
Let me do here instead. So it will just show me like what it is
It will
doing.
do in bro. Don't show.
What? I'm just
Just
checking
you.
if it is doing correct thing. I mean, I will not
Okay.
gonna do replace here.
Okay.
Oh, I
I think
understood
it's
what you're saying. I
okay.
will delete it. No worry. Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm. Okay.
So
I think it is doing its
the
job,
it is
but
doing
the
its
thing
job.
is, I need
Yeah.
to do single
Single
inverted
quote.
comma. Yeah.
And now in the below file, you can just use that.
I understood what you were saying, but yeah.
Hmm.
Uh, Let me just do it,
Yeah, dude. Okay. Now
and
copy.
let's copy. Let's.
Mm.
But we actually need to do this in every file, every file, every.
No, 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 no. We don't need to. We just need to fix one. Just copy the above stuff. Just go at the top. Don't do this. Just go at the top and then copy from values to the line one. Okay. Next time you copy and paste it into the file itself, so you can easily copy paste. Okay. Just run now.
Okay.
Let's
No,
see.
no, I'm not saying that. Okay, we will use a cloud for that.
Mm.
Yeah, now there is a good error.
Right, right. So now this one is good error. Okay.
Mhm.
Now we know that it works. Okay. So we just
Mhm.
need to update in a proper sequence.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yes.
first user comes and then user creates the question, right? Then we can reference. So we need to import it in a sequence now.
Export.
You need to export first and import
Uh,
in a sequence.
so you mean to? I should do this.
Hmm.
Export.
Now if we do this, then
Yeah.
sequence will be different. Okay, let's try. We can just move insert queries here there.
Mhm.
Save.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay. Eventually, it's
Hmm.
that's just to don't save. Firstly, oh my gosh.
What? 7,000. What it is?
Yeah, 7,000. You know what I mean?
Oh no no wait wait. It is
Hmm.
actually caching. It is just remove the cache table. Don't include the cache table. It is updating the cache table as well.
Uh huh.
In the cache table, we don't want that. The failed jobs table, we don't want
Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. But what we can do is let ask for inverted comma as well. You know what I mean?
This one is good. This one is good.
What it is doing?
Okay. What was the query? Just add their double quotes as well,
Uh,
right?
no. Wait. I cannot edit this one. Oh
Just
yeah,
just
I
chat.
can do.
Just start a new chat. You can do. Hmm.
I think it is auto, right? That's why. So it may choose the dumb.
What is this?
Uh,
Like, what is this auto and all this stuff?
Auto is something like that. It will choose model based on
No,
the
no. But
query.
that I understood. What is this sidebar chat? Like, is it Copilot?
Yeah, Copilot. So you
Okay.
can select the cloud code or something like that and just do it.
Okay. Okay.
So what is the regex?
Or even better, the last one, third one. It says or even better. Let's try that.
Yeah, it's better. It looks better. I
I
know
don't.
bit regex though. So
Hmm.
yeah, 68.
Okay. Let's update.
So the same table.
Ah.
Okay. So that worked.
Hmm.
Now what we need to do is I think now we can take a help from cloud code or I don't know. What do you think? What should we do?
We just try now with the SQLite, copy paste that if it is
No,
working.
no. No,
Hmm.
no, 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 no. There is a problem with this inverted commas,
This stuff.
Yeah. So what I
Okay.
will do, I think I can do one thing. So what I will do, I will remove these inverted commas from here,
You
right?
No,
Then I
you
will
can
just
directly remove, right? There is no double quotes in the whole file. There is only SQL.
there is. So I just need to go in a and select this and maybe just I don't know. It is not working, right? Okay. See, you can see inverted commas.
अरे यार,
Some bit of mid uh, work
manual
we need to
work.
do. Yeah, even I cannot ask AI to do this. Wait, sorry. My plan
Just
just
search
bit
for
changed.
insert into. Search for insert
Yeah,
into.
that
So
that is
you'll.
what I actually doing. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, 65. Yeah, because it is separating, right? Okay. I think we don't need a failed job table at all. I mean, you know
We
what I mean?
don't. Yeah, we don't need fail job. We don't need. But cache.
We need
We
cache.
you
We
said
need
we are.
cache.
We need cache.
Yeah, so
Okay.
we don't need failed jobs. So I think the highest thing will be there into this one only.
Fail jobs. Okay.
What we can do now? I have one idea,
Hmm.
and I think that will work. Let's see. Or I mean, do we? Okay, I did one
Maybe
thing.
maybe
So
select a Claude code and ask it to just remove that insert into.
no, bro, this code is too much.
Hmm?
This code is too much. Cloud will gonna hang even. What I mean, you know?
No, bro. I don't think so. Use 4.5.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Sonnet.
Wait, but we don't need this failed job, right? I
Hmm.
don't know. In a live at as well, I need to confirm with the no. But yeah, I think we don't need this. We actually truncated it last time. Mm,
Hmm.
it's already 10:17. That's why I was telling you it will never be ended in 1 hour.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait. Yeah. Seriously? Okay. Wait. I have one more idea, which is,
Just export without that table. That is also fine.
I mean,
There is again
and
field.
no,
Bro, what
no.
you do is go to your local database, truncate that fail
Uh-huh.
job and export again. Because we know
Nah,
that
nah.
regex is also there. You can do faster.
Khatam. There are no fail jobs table anymore. Okay.
Okay.
And now we can just do, okay. See, Copilot got mad now. Otherwise,
Hmm.
now, okay. To how many? Oh, it's still 33. Ah, yeah. Now it is working. Do it, man. I mean, this is not the thing we are. Do you want to skip the jobs as well?
You
Okay.
can, but
There
jobs
is
we need.
10.
It should be processed, right?
What I did. No, what I want going to do is I will just copy paste this and just do Control D, remove it, click on this one. I forgot to copy this. Copy this, right? We'll paste it over here and replace it.
Hmm.
Simple.
Okay.
Let's go again. The jobs is done. Oh, now likes. And my copilot is not working. Okay, this is the links table.
Hmm.
That was the likes or links table? Previous one.
I think it was like.
Oh, likes?
I think I saw
Okay.
like.
Yeah, that's fine then. Uh, Copilot should work. Oh, yeah. Bro, this
Hmm.
is too much manual task.
This is too much
We
manual.
don't
That
need we don't need this
we need
table.
migrations. We need
But
migrations.
we already have migrations table and it, you know,
Oh, we migrated already. Yes.
yeah. Now it is working. The Copilot. Baba. My brain is not working, but okay. Notification table
So
is huge.
in a Gen Z term, your brain is
Mm-hmm.
not draining.
Oh yeah.
We will still face that primary key issue. So we need to order them as well.
Okay. Wait. I cracked it, I guess. Done.
Mm,
Ah,
Hopefully
yeah.
it will
This
click.
is parallel tasking. You know.
Okay. This is actually better. At least at least we can try now. Okay.
Uh, Otherwise, we have actually do we can do control Z, right? So do you want to dump it right now
Yeah, let's try.
from
Just that SQL, the other one. There is a tab, right? That other tab.
there was something which Vikas told me is
Hmm.
there is a way to transfer one data from one table to another, cop one database to another, right? In a table plus,
In a
and
table plus.
yeah, so I just forgot it. So so you mean we should just copy that file into SQL here?
Yeah, and then run.
Think it will take huge time to paste. It just fucked up.
Oh, okay.
We actually need to import the SQL file. We can do it, I guess.
But we
Just
have multiple
no,
tables.
yeah, but it will be SQL query, right? So
Ah,
there
but
will be insert into, right? What for whatever table you run, it will be
oh, okay,
inserted
okay.
into.
There is a way. There is a way. Okay.
Yeah, I
So
know that, but I think that was
there is
also with
no,
or something like
no,
that. I don't know.
no. Go to table plus. On the top you have tables.
But right now we cannot go to the table plus.
Just close forcefully, and then start up.
Yeah, close the program. I hope the connection is not interrupted. Okay, so what you were saying?
Now open table plus.
Table table plus. Yeah, it's opened,
Open
and
it.
we're gonna open local one first. You are behind 24 updates.
Click
Oh,
on MySQL.
no, no, that is the different MySQL.
Okay.
Uh,
So
Let me
scroll
just
up. On the tables, you will see tables like this. Table name.
where here.
You will see table and functions, right? No, no, not there. On the left side, you have bookmarks, cache, right? So scroll up, down. There should be table. Right.
I really don't understand what you are saying. From
Okay,
where I
right.
need to scroll?
On the left side, just click right click. Not that. On the right side, then, if that is the left for you. Now import.
Import from SQL term.
Now here. Now
Oh,
select that. You saved that file, right?
yeah, I saved.
Okay.
Let's check it.
Okay.
Input
Hmm.
fail.
What is this?
Unique constant.
Unique
Unique
constraint.
constant. Bookmarks. Oh, okay. I understood now.
Hmm.
We need to do migrate fresh again, I guess. You know, because we was actually doing some stuff with the bookmarks table previously, maybe, and we inserted some data somehow. You know what
No,
I mean? Yeah,
we have data. Okay. Okay. Let's then migrate fresh. Let's try.
migrate fresh or just delete one row. I
It
don't
is
know.
local, right?
No, yeah,
For for safe
fuck,
side.
it's a
Do that.
local. It's a local actually.
Hmm.
So this is not a safe side stuff. This is actually the different connection totally. Let's now do it. If this not works, we will do migrate fresh. Started working. Let's see just four. Okay, we got a
Cannot add
foreign
update.
key constraint.
Child or foreign key. For this, we need that ordering, proper ordering.
No, no, nah. Why should we do that? Uh, I have one more idea. Uh,
Hmm.
Spelling is wrong, but I typed it wrong actually.
You can even go to migrations, disable that, and migrate fresh. Comment
Why
that and
should we do that? Strength and enable. We just need to put one line at the starting of the file and ending of the file. You know what I mean?
okay, let's try.
MySQL. We haven't said MySQL. Hmm. Yeah. See, you know. So
Hmm.
we need to put this. uh, the VS Code, Control G1, इतना तो पता है ना? This one?
Hmm. Hmm.
Oh my gosh, what just happened? Why? Where it is open?
It says unable to write a file.
Yeah, because it will be open somewhere, right?
Is table
Okay, we
plus.
need to place OK.
Hmm.
I think now, yeah,
Okay.
and controls and yeah here, and here we will have one, right?
Hmm.
So constant will be enabled, right? I don't
Hmm.
think even if that required, but for a safe side,
Hmm. Okay. We are disabling import and then enabling it again.
not imports, foreign case, right?
No, no, no. We are disabling foreign keys. Then
Oh
we are.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, one more error.
Hmm.
Now this
What
is
is
the different error.
what is this? Right syntax.
I don't
Primary
know.
users at line one. At line one.
Oh, line one,
Hmm.
semicolon. We missed the semicolon. No, but is it? It is for what?
What
It's
is
for
that?
cache.
Yeah.
Pinkary cached viewed, right? It's not line number one. Oh,
What is
yeah.
that error?
Just copy this.
Right syntax. Use near key value expiration values.
This one. Here. What is the problem? Oh, there is no problem. Oh, it's a line number five. But what is the problem?
I want to read it.
Yeah. Insert into catch, right? Key.
Hmm.
This key
Ah, okay.
value.
Key is
Key.
reserved. Key is reserved.
Key is the
Use
reserved value.
ah,
Key is the reserved
use
variable,
the
right?
tilde sign. Hmm.
So we could.
Do for value as well.
Is it so?
Hmm. Expiration is fine.
And now again we need to press OK to save the file. Yeah.
Hmm.
Hmm. So we need to at least note these things,
Hmm.
otherwise import from SQL dump. In this, if I do all,
Hmm.
it will also have a CSV files.
Hmm.
We exported it. Okay. Duplicate
Duplicate
entry.
key. Hmm.
Oh, because bookmark query was ran, right?
Okay.
Okay. So what I will do is I will do control Z over here and we will do migrate fresh. I think we need a part four.
Hmm. Your
Yeah. What my?
you run this migrate fresh on the
Not
cloud.
local. Ah, yeah, cloud.
Okay. So we are
Uh,
connected to cloud database, right? On in table plus.
yeah.
Hmm. Okay.
So basically, what I did is I just updated env and ran migrations. That's it.
Okay.
I think uh, let's just keep. Yeah, we got comment or
Anant.
Anand Ambani.
Hmm.
Oh, Anand Bhai.
Anant. Hmm.
What is he saying?
He's saying we can just get a
Yeah,
SQL done.
but we don't have actually. Oh, okay. Mm-hmm. I can try it later, at least. But I think this is a good way for now, at least. I don't know.
Hmm. This is actually simpler. We have to
Which
actually
one?
we
This
have
MySQL dump?
no what we are doing
Yeah,
right now, that is actually simpler,
yeah,
because then we have to run that command and get the dump and then create that SSH connection to that database.
correct. But it is taking too much time, right? Just to add databases.
Import dump table plus not just
Probably
base.
import table plus not is the best choice. Yeah, yeah, it is
Mm.
not a best choice, but
Yeah,
yeah.
but we invested a lot of time already, so let's
Oh yeah. So
battle him.
let's just reload this,
Mm.
and we will. Yeah, we have it. Let's just import the SQL dump and import, and we will gonna get another. No. Yeah. Wow. How? Wow. It's done. A what?
I don't know. Refresh the table, bookmarks table or questions table.
Nah, nah. Why should we refresh that? We can just refresh this one. 500.
Okay, what
Let's check the logs.
Hmm.
Logs will be here.
What is the error?
Oh, I think I know this. I think I know this.
What is this?
Attempt to
Read
read property
username.
username on null.
Hmm. So it is something code related. Where is that
Nah, nah,
file?
nah, nah. Nothing related to code. Uh,
Views are
I think
cached.
no, no. Wait. If I understand it correctly,
Just
which is I which I
go
which I
to
don't.
cloud and run the cache clear, that view clear command, view cache clear something
I
is there.
cannot run cache clear at least.
View cache.
View cache? Oh, let's read full maybe.
Just check that line, right? Attempted to read, and then after that it is saying where http that storage framework views, and then there is a views file dot php, and then line number 110.
Yeah,
So that is
one
cached
one
view.
zero is in a cached, right?
View is cached, so we need to clear
Yeah.
views. View cache. That is
Oh,
file.
so after that you think it will give a correct error? You mean
Yeah, it will not give correct error, it will solve that error.
it will solve the error? Oh, interesting. Let's see. So
That view is cached. That's what I'm saying.
I don't know. Deployment query will actually clear the views, right?
Views.
And cache it again, right? You know
Hmm.
what I mean.
Let's try.
But if you think we can just do that, right? There is a
Hmm.
let's see if log is changed. Bit.
Hmm.
I don't know. We can even open the night watch if you want.
Anant is saying clear browser cache.
I did that, right?
Hmm. Okay. There is another one. Where is view slash view dot php?
Which component it is at least? Oh, it's related to file system. Okay, 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 okay.
I can't
Uh
even read
huh.
it. Very tiny stuff. Ah, this is much better.
But what I understand is now,
Hmm.
if that is the case,
Hmm.
I don't know because it's somewhere S3 is could be the problem. Maybe I don't know.
Just check the
If
latest one, latest error, right? We are checking older ones, right?
okay, it's kind of that.
Or in the env set
Last
the
minute.
debugging true. Debug true.
Okay,
Just
last minute is not.
in
Oh, we
env
can do that. Yeah, we can do that.
we can do that. That is
Yeah, we can
better.
do that. Just let me do that.
Hmm.
In a cloud, uh, commands, not commands, in this environment. Okay, we have environment, not that. Settings, deployments. I don't know, in a general, I just forgot. Or what? Unable to open the link, ensure you have. Okay, if I found the environment Injected environment, debug false. Editing is disabled. Oh, that those are injected. Sorry. Yeah, understood. So I can just copy this and paste it, but it will redeploy, right? Save and deploy. Yeah, we need to wait till it deploys.
It should be quick.
Yeah, yeah, you can see that. We can see the deployment here.
Mm.
10 second, 11 second. I think we need to conclude this. Again, we wasn't able to do it.
Yeah, let's try for some time this one, and then we can call it.
Actually, I need to go somewhere for real at 10:45. So
Uh,
yeah,
I also have a plan.
yeah. So,
Actually, I'm getting
hmm.
messages from my friends.
So let's just wait for this deployment.
Yeah,
Uh, if it is not working or error is probably solvable uh, and not that much tricky, we're gonna do right away. Otherwise, we will just conclude
call
this
it.
one.
Hmm.
Yeah, and I hope you will join another as well.
Yeah, sure, we can.
So yeah, so I will recommend you to watch previous two streams,
Two streams. Okay.
5 hours. Okay,
5
now it is
hours.
deploying. Yeah, total of 5 hours because
Instead of that,
we
I'll
have
close
two.
the Pinkary project and I'll read everything.
No, because that doesn't. I mean, if you want, you can even see. You can skip repeated stuff, right?
Hmm.
I don't know. You don't need to watch everything. So, okay, I think it's now deploying, and I actually not able to read the messages.
Hmm.
But Anand Kumar saying, make sure ENV set up correctly. Yeah, it's set up correctly. Clear the browser cache. Old session, different key, app key. Oh yeah, but I have deleted the cookies, right?
Hmm.
It's talking about the username. Did we miss the username? Oh wait, shit.
There are two unknown.
Just let me check.
Hmm.
We actually need to include the IDs while inserting.
Which
You know
IDs?
what I mean?
Which IDs?
Okay. Oh, those are there. IDs are there, right? These are the
Hmm.
IDs, right?
Yeah.
And it will be same in the database, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I was just scared. There are two Anants?
Yeah.
Seriously? Wow. Okay, so uh, what we were doing?
We just
Oh,
enable the debug mode and then now we can refresh the
yeah. So
page.
now it is deployed, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So we've made a working thing. Oh.
So this is the file where question.2
Yeah,
using. So the question is
yeah.
not
So something is
question is
fishy
null.
now.
No
So
question.
database is not dumped correctly, or maybe something like that. Do you think
Yeah.
that?
Yeah. What is that
Uh
two?
huh.
Is there a relation
Oh,
called two?
two. So two is user somehow. Who? I mean,
It's a relationship, right?
yeah. It's a relationship.
Okay. That
So
relationship.
basically, yeah,
Two?
what is actually happening is the two ID is not matching with any user somehow.
Yeah. Yes.
So we haven't dumped data correctly somehow.
Yes.
Anand, are you coming from different accounts? Okay, I think we need to go, right?
Mm.
And somehow I think what I can do is to make it work. Just do migrate fresh, right?
Mm.
Oh, hey, wait a moment. We can also have uh, this is the last thing I will gonna do,
Okay.
right? And then we can just conclude this room, because we can see same problem. Oh, this is something different thing. See, I'm connected to live database right now. You know what?
Hmm.
And here we have different problem, and here we have different problem. How can this possible?
The page is same or what?
Page is same. Page is same.
Okay, so the Pinkary.test is actually related to cache. We have wrong cache, and in the cloud version, it is not able
But
to
both has
store
the
the.
same database. Both are using the same database connection. Okay, I think we should conclude this.
One is
I will.
going with this cache itself, right? So it doesn't have that value.
Yeah, that's
Maybe
fine. I think.
connect that production cache there.
Um. Okay, I think we should conclude this right now. Right. I need to go,
Okay.
and maybe
Okay,
you
we
need to
can
go as
do
well.
that one more time later.
And yeah, we can do later. And sorry, Nuno, we was not able to do it today as well. Okay. Thanks, guys. If Anant, if you want to join next stream with Bhushan and me, just DM me on Twitter. I know I follow you, right? So
Mm.
we three of us can do things,
Do
right?
that migration. Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Okay. Bye, guys. Thanks for joining,
Bye bye.
and thanks for staying at till the end.
Hey, Nuno is laughing now.
Okay. Bye, guys.